The automation is amazing. Who designed those machines? The automatic vacuum packaging machine Titan X950. I will make many people unemployed because it's too convenient. Industrial meat pieces vacuum packed by the Flowvac Olma equipment. The packaging line includes a simple yet excellent solution to automate feeding into the vacuum chamber on both tight cushion belts. These skewers are for the loyal audience of GoTech. We continue to modify our caramel cutter. Now, we have installed a larger diameter cutting blade on the machine, allowing us to produce candies up to 35 millimeter in diameter. This line includes the Silpack RE25 heat shaping machine to package sliced meat in adjusted atmospheric packaging. After sealing, the packages will be transferred to the ELS labeling system to apply suitable labels before shipping. Learn more about Merrill's chicken fillet solutions from Makeless Ike to see how advanced this machine is. This machine is designed to perfectly integrate with the rest of the production line to create a highly efficient end-to-end solution for the food industry. Its performance is beyond the imagination of business owners. Tight chicken, an improved lead. This chocolate ice cream maker is a powerful tool that helps create smooth and creamy batches of ice cream. Thanks to the perfect combination with soft crust cakes, it brings a wonderful taste experience to the enjoyer. When liquid chocolate is poured into the container, it forms a rough and convex surface. This magical machine, with gentle yet delicate movements, transforms that layer of chocolate into a smooth mirror. After completing the preparation of ingredients, the next process is performed by machines with pre-programmed steps, ensuring accuracy and uniformity in creating caramel. Looking at the stream of cookies flowing down the chain, I suddenly felt an indescribable feeling of excitement. Each cute, small cake contains a delicious, sweet flavor. This baking line allows you to arrange discs cut with cutters on trays for coating stages. Fruit and vegetable washing machine, an efficient device designed to process various fruits and vegetables with low and medium dirt levels. At the same time, the machine is capable of deep and delicate cleaning. With sweet cutting lines, the salami sausage slicer brings perfect slices to your dish. Buy yourself a salami slicer now. High-speed soup packet filling machine into noodle cups is an automatic device used to quickly and accurately put soup packets into noodle cups. This machine is often used in instant noodle factories. With the flexible rotary pot filling and sealing machine, high speed along with unlimited flexibility and performance have been elegantly integrated. This design not only meets current needs, but also opens the door for future investment. Imagine you are lost in a cookie factory, where delicious cakes are born. The hot cookies are carefully placed on a conveyor belt, starting their adventure journey. Bite a piece of avocado ring, you will feel the softness melt in your mouth. The sweetness of butter blends with the fatty taste of milk, creating a perfect symphony of taste. Add a little fruit jam or fresh cream.